introduce yourself to us.
I'm Abton Mwembe from Binga. I'm now based in Victoria Falls. I'm an athlete, distance runner, half marathon. That is 21 kilometers.
How old are you?
I'm 29 years old now.
Okay. What has been life like growing up in Binga?
Yeah. Going to school was almost 10 kilometers. So I used to run so that I can get to school early. So I used to run almost 10 kilometers going to school at primary level. Then when I grew up at secondary level, I was also having that passion of running those long distances.
How do you feel when you run? What makes you happy?
Since I started running at tender level when I was young, and even for now, I've got that passion of running. I feel comfortable. I feel like I'm running for health, for my good health, body health. I'm running for the community. I'm just enjoying myself when I'm running. So running for me is just like food because I don't have problem. Even if I go miles and miles, no, I just enjoy running.
Interesting.
Currently, I'm working at City Council Police. So usually I work during the night. So when I'm at work, when I dismiss early morning, around 6, I go to training. So and then after all, maybe midday, I have another session of training, maybe 5 kilometers or sometimes 10 kilometers. Yeah, that's how I balance my work, my training and my work things. Then when I'm off, yeah, I do have just my 2 sessions per day. That is early morning, then and midday, 2 sessions per day. That's how I make it.
Do you have challenges in terms of getting all these personal things that you need to train?
I'm using the $3 watch, which is not proper for running. I need at least a Garmin so that I can record my pace and my distance when I'm running. Also, even my shoes, these are not proper shoes that can let me to run at a proper pace like other athletes, elite athletes. Also, the gym for my body so that I can be stronger. Sometimes I can find the gym is too expensive for me that I can't even afford because I have all those expenses there upon me as an athlete. I find myself in other ways.
Looking back at the young boy from Binga, how has the journey been like so far? And what have you achieved?
Yeah, when I started running at primary level, I got that passion of representing Zimbabwe. Even for now, that's my passion also to represent Zimbabwe. But when I get the proper equipment for my running, I think I can do well. Because for now, half marathon, I'm running at 1 hour, 6 minutes, which is very good. And even when I started, if you can see, 2018, I ran the 10 kilometers race in 29 minutes. And even it became a record because even for now, they can't even break this record. So this was my first medal when I started this journey of running at the senior level. So even for now, my dream is to represent Zimbabwe, even in the Olympics.
And is there talent in the rural areas? You grew up in the rural areas. Is there talent? Is there support?
Yeah, there's a lot of talent in rural areas, but they lack the clubs so that they can train. They lack the equipment, even the running shoes, even just the general knowledge of running so that they are running for a dream or for an achievement. So talent is plain plus in the community, but because we don't have the support, someone can get support. When you get support, you can run at your highest level. But if you can't get that support, it becomes very difficult.
So what has been your achievement this year? Have you competed?
Yeah, for this year, 2026, I competed at Bulawayo, Johnny Mkabugonkomo, the race. I was in top 10. Then I came back home here in Victoria Falls where I ran the Rotary Club run. I took number 1 in 10 kilometers. Then Ubuntu recently I ran also 21 kilometers. I ran 1 hour 11 minutes and I took position 2. Then recently on weekend I was in Zambia Green Marathon where I ran 1 hour 7 minutes. I was competing with the allies, top allies, Zimbabwean athletes, where Zimuto clinched the best there, and the likes of Tarakinyu, but I was also in top 5, so I'm proud of that. But all of that, I was funding myself. That means there is a lot in the community that when we support the boys, the young boys and girls, I think we can be somewhere in terms of sports activities.